Cycles have a way of coming back. I think I was 7 when I got my first bicycle. I was thrilled with my wheels, like I'm sure you were too. After my immediate and basal needs were met, which meant showing it off to the boys and more importantly the girls in the neighborhood and school, I realized the cycle offered a lot more. In just one day, my territory had expanded. I was now free to go farther. I would leave the safe boundaries of my home and my neighborhood and explore a lot more. My cycle opened up a world for me. We don't pay too much attention to these cycles, do we? I mean, there is the combustion engine, we have electric vehicles, we have autonomous vehicles, there's rocket propulsion. Why would we even look at something where you and I are the engine and the fuel? But when you think about it, it is one of our most significant inventions. For the economic and social change it propelled, I would rate it alongside the flush toilet. The bicycle truly put the revolution into the second and third industrial revolutions. It made and kept a whole lot of world's working class mobile for many, many decades. In fact, when the Communist Party came to power in China, it embraced the bicycle as the symbol of proletarian progress. Alongside the sewing machine, the wristwatch, and a transistor, a bicycle became part of dowry in Mao Zedong's China. Today we have many options, but bicycles are still in the picture. Yesterday it brought mobility to proletariat. Today is for the upwardly mobile, the chic gentry, for the health conscious, for the fashion conscious, and the planet conscious. You and I rode a bicycle to get farther from our parents. Our kids are riding bicycle to get farther from their parents' carbon footprint. Because I love the idea and the aesthetics of the cycle, some time ago I decided to make a few. If you thought that a cycle was a simple technology, you are mistaken. It demands a lightweight yet stable frame and some frustrating engineering precision, and of course the grace and elegance. The original plan was to follow the arc of bicycles evolution and make a velocipede, the quadricycle, the penny farthing, and so on, and make them with unusual materials. But then, as you know, the nature of plans is such that it seldom goes according to the plan. Nonetheless, I have had fun making few bicycles with bamboo, with copper, with chromium, molybdenum, steel alloys. The bamboo and hemp ones are my current favorites though. I tried to get my friends to ride my bamboo cycle, but they made it clear that their faith in my engineering abilities ends where their love for their life begins. So I was thrilled when my friend Anuj asked for one of my cycles. Later I figured that he wanted it as a display piece for his redesigned cabana. It was a bit of a puncture, but hey, I'm not complaining. I have now pivoted and decided that my cycles are collector's items, installation pieces, not meant for some quotidian, proletarian, plebeian use. Call me. Call me if you need one.